I want to achieve something habang meron pa akong lakas. Hanggat kaya ko pa.
Right.
I want to enjoy the things that I want to do habang may time pa ako. Kasi di ba, nung bata tayo, we all have the time and energy, but we don't have the money.
Yes.
Nung nag-work na tayo, we have the money, but we don't have the time, but we have the energy. Tapos nung tumanda tayo, we have the money, we have the time, but we do not have the energy.
So pag tumanda ka, you have to enjoy life.
Yes. So ako, habang nasa mids pa lang, I want to have the energy, the time, and the money
Correct.
for me to live the fullest of my life.
Galing.
Plus, I want to help other people na magawa din yun.
Right.
Ang daming young entrepreneurs ngayon, mas mayaman sa atin.
Yes.
Kung sila kaya nila yun, bakit hindi natin makaya?
Yes.
Gawin natin. Yun ang inaay ko. Bilang naanak ko naman ang kasipagan ng nanay ko, sabi ko, why not invest natin? Kasi it's all about the risk and gamble.
Right.
Kung hindi mo susubukan yan, ang pera mo kasi, ilagay mo dyan, andyan lang yan.
Galing.
Hindi yan gagalaw.
Tama eh.
Magtrabaho ka, madadagdagan yan. Konti-konti. Pero hindi mo madadoble yan ng isang araw.
Correct.
Hindi mo yan madadoble ng isang